an international group of institutions, we believe that true learning goes beyond the classroom walls. Today, we're opening a unique classroom, one that is painted with galaxies and powered by starlight.
We students are filled with excitement as Cosmos Dome Planetarium is set up in our school premises. The Cosmos Dome is a portable planetarium which allows the students to explore the solar system and witness cosmic events firsthand.
It is a classroom like no other, where the universe becomes our teacher. Come, let's take a look at this exciting learning experience.
What inspired you for the creation of Cosmos Dome Planetarium?
My vision to create spark among young mind about their passion towards the astronomy. We go to school to teach the student through the planetarium about astronomy, and which is from KG onward to 12th standard student. That teach them, that create a spark among them about the astronomy. India is growing. The ISRO has last year has done major achievements through the Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1, and we want that every child should know that the astronomy in India is booming and they should take the participate. We are searching more Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, so they can help India to grow more and create the impact around the world.
Kindly tell me about your experience in the Cosmos Dome Planetarium.
So it was very well represented. It was a fabulous demonstration of each and every mission launched, and this also reflects the technological advancements of India in the fields of space industries and how other countries are also taking it serious to explore space industry.
Incredible actually. It was fantastic.
It was a great experience. We got to learn many new things.
Wonderful. We are thankful to the school to make us visit such a great dome experience.
The planetarium was marvelous. It was very, very, very interesting and realistic as well. As we sat down, we could see all the planets right in front of our eyes as if they were right there. It was very interesting to get to know about astronomy, our planet, the solar system, and mainly learning about the Voyage mission.
The experience was amazing. We got to know a lot of things about astronomy and the lunar mission. The experience was very, very, very good, and the picture quality was very amazing.
It was a very exhilarating experience for me because it was not me going to the planetarium. It was the planetarium coming to me. It was like the galaxy was in front of my eyes. I could see it, the stars and the astronomy. It was a very great experience and I'm very grateful for this.
It was a very intriguing experience. I want to thank our dearest chairman sir for organizing this as well as all the organizers. I got to learn so much things about our cosmos and our universe that the Lord Almighty has provided us with.
It was amazing. It was fantastic. It was a wonderful experience. We learned many new things. Thank our chairman sir and our director madam for this Cosmos Dome experience.
Very interesting and very teachable experience for me.
Inside the dome, it was like I was living my dream. It felt like a roller coaster ride and I'm truly grateful for it.
It was a very amazing experience, truly out of this world. quite literally.
It was truly a wonderful experience for us. It was not me going to the universe, it was the universe coming towards me.
It was very wonderful and amazing. At the same time, it was educational too.
It gave me an immersive experience of the night sky and enhanced my understanding about our astronomy.
It was such an amazing and a delightful experience because it taught me so much about astronomy in such an interesting way.
The Dome Planetarium is a marvelous experience. I would like to thank our school for giving us such great opportunities. I learned many new things about the planets. I thank you for the school for giving me this great opportunity.
It was a very amazing and glamorous or such a wonderful experience.
Nowadays, astronomy knowledge is very important. So every student get the astronomy experience, I think so.
बच्चों के लिए साथ में पेरेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत ही बढ़िया सा एक्सपीरियंस है और मैंने भी देखा है बच्चों को बाहर लेके जा रहे हैं। इससे अच्छा वो जो गैलेक्सी का जो इफेक्ट है जो यहाँ पे दिखा है स्कूल में वो बहुत बेस्ट है।
I really appreciate for this setup for the school.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरे दोनों बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा और हर साल ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी अच्छे से होनी चाहिए।
It provides a impressive experience to the students to go to the space and enjoy each activity because its impact you can say you're closer to the space.
This planetarium is good. She's helped us to fear science and exactly all the planets and all. So she was very happy.
The experience was really very good. It makes students learn a new experience. It inspires the curiosity and it has a 3D experience. Thank you, Director Madam and Sir, for giving students such a very good opportunity.
The shows at the Cosmos Dome Planetarium were quite insightful, teaching us about astronomy, the Hubble telescope, the Mars rover and the Voyager mission.
We extend our deepest gratitude to our chairman sir for enriching us with this cosmic experience.
Don't miss it out when it comes to your school. On that note, this is Vaijay Manyata.
And this is Vijay Aditi signing off for Young Journals on RAN TV.